Hey guys, what's up? Eugene is here again. You might be subscribed to my channel, might be not. My channel called is eMarketingMastermind. Okay, it's a YouTube channel where I talk about affiliate marketing, and one of the ways how I make money online, and another way I make money online through the investing in cryptocurrency. Okay, and I'm looking for the ways to diversify my income, because I mean, as much as as I love my job, what I'm doing, and I'm working full time, it's not really a secured way to live, and that's why I'm on the side, hustle on the side. I would say hustle to be free on the side, trying to learn the ways how to make money online, to make a passive income, and that's why I created my channel. So I want other people also to know how to do things, what is passive income. And I'm immigrant from Soviet Union, from former Soviet Union, right? And it's difficult for me to kind of talk about on the camera, without any preparation, I would say, right? It's difficult sometimes to express myself, right? But I'm trying the best I can, because this is, you have to do it, Nobody will do it for you. Nobody will give you a silver platter, with everything on it. You have to do it yourself, right? And on my channel, I talk about a tool that I use to build my affiliate marketing business, to build my funnels, to build my websites. It's called Builderall. And I'm mostly creating how-to videos. Also, I'm creating videos about how I'm making money right now daily with crypto, like the crypto fiat platform, But it's not the main point of today's video. In today's video I want to talk about the book, which is called Slight Age, right, by Jeff Olson. And it says right there, if you read, right, it says Slight Age is the way of thinking, a way of processing information that enables you to make the daily choices that will lead you to the success you desire. A long time ago, I was a part of a network marketing company. It was called Prepaid Legal Services. Now it's called Legal Services. I'm still there. I'm still using the services, right? But the Jeff Olson used to be a director of marketing, director of sales there, right? And he is very, very fun guy to be around. He's very knowledgeable. He's really, really motivational guy, motivational speaker. So he wrote a book called The Slight Age. And I just wanna spend a couple of minutes just to read you a couple of things from this book, because I read this book a couple of times, and I'm trying to follow the philosophies in this book. What he's talking about here, basically, and what he means by slight age. By slight age, he means that there are certain things in life that it's easy to do and easy not to do, right? And he actually draw this and show this in this way, if you look at it, right? Right here, guys. You can take a look at it, right? But I'm going to do a screenshot probably, and I'm going to put it on right here in the video also, so you would look at it. So there are things that easy to do and easy not to do, right? And this is our choice, what we choose to do, right? We can choose to read the book or 10 pages in the book a day, right? Of a successful book, of self-educational book, right? Or we choose not to. Maybe we choose to just go out and just go to some restaurant, or take a tea and just drink with some kind of like pierogi, or whatever, right? So you just choose to not either read the book or not to read the book. You choose not to go to the gym or go to the gym, right? And it's not, and this decision doesn't really matter, right, at that particular time. But if you make those decisions, small decisions, insignificant decisions every day, right, and instead of deciding to do certain things, you deciding not to do certain things. And it's easy to do both ways, right? And when you just and what's easy to do is, for example, to be responsible and disciplined, right? And you have a value and you're driven by this value. And eventually what's uncomfortable right now on early stages becomes comfortable later on, you know? And this is very important because and you're going by the curve, you're going by this slight edge that can lead you either to the success, to the top, or can lead you to the bottom, you know? It all depends on your choice, guys. And it's like it's your philosophy that gives, I would say, gives birth to the attitude, you know? And from your attitude follows what actions you would take in your life. And and based on the actions, and on your action depends the result that you're getting. And based on that results, you get your lifestyle, right? And the lifestyle it gives you a lifestyle in a relationship, in personal development, in business, health, and finances, you know? And basically, and like I told you before, that basically what's uncomfortable early becomes comfortable later on. And this is the curve that goes from down to up. So you increasing your results, you're increasing your, I would say, the results to be successful. You're increasing your chances to be successful. That's what I would say, right? And also what's comfortable early becomes very uncomfortable later on. Can you see the difference? Can you spot the difference? What's uncomfortable on early stages becomes comfortable later. And what comfortable right now becomes uncomfortable later. And that's when you blame for your failure somebody else, when you neglect certain things, you know, and when you think that you're entitled to something, right? You have to fight for what you want, you know. Nothing is easy in your life, you know, but it's a really simple error in judgments that defines your success. That's what I want to talk about here. And basically, you know, if you know this if you know Ralph Waldo Emerson, right? He said that the law of nature is, do the thing and you shall have the power. But they who do not the thing have not the power. That's what he is writing, you know. And that's why two similar persons that are given the same tools, the same time, one person will succeed, and another person, by having the same things, will not succeed, you know. And basically, what I want to point out here is it's not that the actions are wrong. It's that people don't keep people don't keep doing them, you know. That's basically great point right here. Great point, you know. And it's the philosophy. That's the secret ingredient. Your philosophy is what you know, how you hold it, and how it affects what you do. That's what this book is about, guys, you know. Your attitude. Your philosophy creates your attitudes, creates your actions, creates your results. And this creates your lifestyle. Basically, if you there was like founder and founder of IBM, his name was Thomas Watson. He said that formula for success is quite simple: just double your rate of failure, you know. And that's about it. I mean, in school we always were afraid to fail because they would grade us by like from F to A, sometimes from D to A, right? And we always wanted to try to be perfect, right? To get B's, to get A's, and whatever, right? Otherwise, we wouldn't pass the examination, we wouldn't pass the quiz, test, whatever, right? Wouldn't get the diploma, wouldn't go to the university, and we always were programmed to actually not programmed pretty much, I would say, not to fail, because fail is bad. But actually, if you think about it, in life, there is no like black and white, you know. I mean, you gotta fail in certain things to be able to, I would say, lift yourself up and move on, you know. Learn of those mistakes that failed you and move on, you know. And this is what I wanted to talk to you about in this book, and I'm going to come back reading something from this book to you guys. But I would really suggest you to get this book. It's called The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. You can get it on Amazon, you know, and I'll put the name of the book in the description under that video. Okay, guys. So I guess I hope that this video was helpful to you. It wasn't too long, and I tried to do my best to share some insights from this book, right? To share some information that might you know, that would make you interesting, and to see what's going on, what's inside of this book actually. It's like a Bible. It's like a success Bible, you know. There are a lot of books that I read, you know, but this one is one of the best, frankly speaking. It's one of the best. That's why I'm doing this. I mean, because it's difficult for me to talk about, to speak English, right? Even though I live in this country for a while, you know, and I speak English, but my accent is not like, I don't speak perfect English, but still I'm doing it. I'm doing the best I can. Okay, guys. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some positive things. I hope that it helped you. And just take my advice. Get this book. Okay, guys. So take care. Subscribe to my channel if you like that video. Click notification bell right there. And you won't miss any. So to make sure that you won't miss any update that I'm going to upload right here. Okay, guys. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.